A very good afternoon to all the Python programmers. Today in this video we are going to discuss that how can we get the phone number information using Python. So basically in this video you will learn that how can you get the information about the phone number, the basic information like the country name to which that phone number belongs and the network service provider name of that phone number. Just by writing we can say the simple Python program, you can get to know that the basic information about your phone number, like if there is any need to know that to which operator that phone number belongs to and to which country does it belong to. So we can use the Python program, we can use the Python language for this case. So basically to start with we need to install the package that is called phone numbers. On my system this requirement is already satisfied. As I already told you in the previous videos that how can we install any package in Python, you just need to do pip install phone numbers by specifying the correct path. So here I am installing this package, it's already installed on my system, so you need to install first. So now we are going to start our programming. Firstly we need to import phone numbers, so we will import phone numbers. So in this program basically we are going to discuss that how can we get the name of the country to which that phone number belongs to, along with that the operator name. So next we are going to import from phone numbers, import geocoder and carrier. Here basically geocoder is used to know the specific location of that phone number and for example the country of that phone number, and the carrier is used to get the name of the operator that phone number is associated with. So basically now we are going to start, we will use one variable over here, phnum equal to phone numbers dot parse, and here we will give the phone number along with its country code. Suppose I am giving any random phone number over here. So here I will define, I am giving any random phone number, and then I am taking another variable for the service provider. So service provider equal to, that is basically we can copy this code also, phone numbers dot parse, and then again we need to define that phone number along with its country code. Now there is need to get the country name, along with that we need to know the name of the service provider of that particular phone number. So for that we will use print as usual, print geocode dot description. This is basically used to get the name of the country, description for number, phone number, and this en. Along with that we want to get the service provider name now. So how can we do that? As I think there might be the error, there is only single bracket, I have not closed it. So we can copy this again. Now we want the operator name. So for operator name we need to define over here carrier. What we need to define? Carrier. And here description for number, not description for number. Here we will write name for number. We need to get the name of that phone number. So we will write name for number, and here we have phone number, but here we need to define the service provider variable and then en. So basically this is a program, Python program, that is helping you how can you get the basic information about any phone number. It is not the only information this package gives you. I am just giving you the example that how can you get the name of the country as well as the module name of the operator to which that phone number belongs. Let's see that whether this program is running or not. Let's run this program. So there is an error, name geocode is not defined. Oh sorry, actually there is a geocoder and I have written geocode. Obviously it will give you error. So now let's run it again. Now there is no error. You can see that this particular program is giving you information, basic information about the phone number. Any phone number that I have typed over there, the number is of the country India, and the name of the operator is Reliance Jio. So it's all about this program. Thank you. For more videos, just stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.